You can tell your blower motor bearings are bad by listening for grinding or feeling wobble when the fan spins. Start by powering off the system and cutting electrical power at the breaker to be safe. Remove the access panel and carefully free the blower assembly so you can manually spin the squirrel cage wheel with your gloved hand. Smooth, nearly frictionless rotation is normal. Any resistance or roughness indicates bearing wear. Check for axial or radial play by gently nudging the shaft toward and away from the housing and side to side. Perceptible movement or a loose feel means the bearings are loose or the shaft is worn. Listen closely while you spin the wheel. A scraping, grinding, or rumbling sound points to degraded bearing surfaces or contamination. Inspect for heat damage or discoloration on or near the motor after a short run at power on for a few seconds. Hottest spots or burnt smells suggest excessive friction from bad bearings. If the bearings are sealed in the motor and you detect seizure or significant play, you should plan to replace the entire blower motor rather than attempting partial repairs. Common mistakes include assuming all noise equals bearings. Noise can come from unbalanced wheels, loose mounting, or duct resonance. So first confirm shaft play and rough rotation before condemning bearings. Another error is running the motor long enough to overheat it during diagnosis. Only run for a few seconds while observing for heat and then power down to avoid further damage. A third issue is trying to lubricate sealed bearings or forcing a stuck shaft. Sealed bearings are not serviceable, and adding oil can contaminate windings and controls, so replace the motor if bearings are seized or excessively loose. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like blower motor replacement and offers a discussion community where people share real experience and troubleshooting tips. We help contractors find work by listing jobs and letting them engage with homeowners and community discussions.